Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring access and a clean workspace. Request the Waymo dataset and download the specific split you need. Once done, organize files into /raw, /processed, and /models so you can track transformations. You should install Python 3.8 or newer and the Waymo Open Dataset package plus your chosen ML framework. This avoids version conflicts. Make sure to verify file integrity and sample a few records to confirm label and sensor alignment before moving forward. You now parse the raw TF record files with the Waymo utilities to extract frames, images, point clouds, and labels. Then apply the provided calibration matrices so LiDAR and camera data share a common coordinate frame. This matters because detection accuracy depends on precise alignment. Once aligned, filter out low-quality frames, apply deterministic augmentations like flips and crops and randomized noise for robustness, and cache process tensors to disk to speed up iterative training and evaluation. You should set up data loaders that handle variable-sized point clouds and images, include class balancing, and efficient batching. Train with regular checkpointing and learning rate schedules while evaluating on the validation split to track metrics like MAP. This tells you whether preprocessing choices are helping. Once satisfied, export the model, save checkpoints, and write clear preprocessing and runtime steps so you can reproduce results. Troubleshooting tip: if metrics collapse, check sensor alignment and label frame synchronization first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.